Hello, future tech experts. Welcome back to our educational channel. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2 of the Class 10 Computer Science User Interaction, focusing on the most important short and long questions you need to know for your board exams. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Now let's dive into the important questions related to this chapter. Important short question. Question 1. Describe the getch function with example. Question 2. What is the use of print per function? Also write its syntax. Question 3. What is the use of print for function? Also write its syntax. Question 4. Difference between scanf and print. Question 5. What is format specifiers? Give examples. Question 6. What is formation of format specifier? Question 7. Mention the format specifier which are used for data type int float.char. Question 8. Why format specifier are important to be specified I/O operations? Question 9. What are escape sequence? Why we need them? Question 10. What is the use of \10 in C programming? Question 11. What is the use of \T in C programming? Question 12. Which escape sequence is used for beep? Question 13. What is the formation of escape sequence? Question 14. Difference between assignment operator and ISequal to operator. Question 15. Difference between divide and modulus operator. Question 16. What are arithmetic operator? Give example. Question 17. What are relational operator? Give example. Question 18. What are logical operator? Give example. Question 19. Difference between unary and binary operator. Question 20. What is meant by operator precedence? Question 21. Which operator has lowest precedence in C language? Question 22. Which operator has highest precedence in C language? Question 23. Difference between and or but operator in C language. Question 1. Explain the print for function with example. Question 2. Explain the scanf function and what is format specifier. Question 3. What are escape sequences? Explain with examples. Question 4. What are operator in C language? Explain the types of operator. These are some of the important short and long questions that you should be familiar with for your Class 10 computer exam. Make sure to understand the concepts thoroughly and practice solving programming problems. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your